Welcome to DJH Preston Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning looking Volvo V40 Momentum. It honestly looks a third of the miles. It drives absolutely fantastic. It's T2 petrol, best one to have. Diamond cut alloys in lovely condition. You can see the paintwork absolutely gleaming. Diamond cut wheel again, lovely. Rear park distance control. There's no scuffs or dents on there at all. Wheel immaculate. Yeah, it's got a few little marks, we always do on the driver's front. No scuffs, no dents. Absolutely looks stunning. Makes it great value for money. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Interior is as good as the outside. Absolutely immaculate inside there. Got carpet mats. Electric windows. Power folding mirrors. Nowhere on the bolster or anything. It's a 104,162, but I'm telling you now, it does not look anywhere near that mileage. Starts up fantastically. Aircon's lovely and cold. Cruise control. Automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox. What we got on here? We've got navigation, DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity. So absolutely stunning. Augs. Really a lot of car for the money. Facelift model as well this is. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.